guys, so if you are done with II May 2026 exams, then don't basically wait for results. Like even if your paper went bad, even if you are unsure about passing, you don't have to wait for results. That's the first thing that you have to understand. So अगर आपका paper नहीं भी अच्छा हुआ, the first thing to understand is कि even if my paper doesn't go well, now I have to decide कि whether I have to start preparing for that same subject again. If yes, then do start preparing again for that same subject, and if possible pick a smaller subject along with it. For example, you gave CS1 and CM1 and you are not sure about passing because as per you the paper was not good. So one thing that you can do is you can continue with its preparation, and along with that you can pick CB1, CB2. Similarly, say if you have given CB1 or CB2 and you have another small exam pending, do pick another exam along with it. You don't have to wait for results and then you will be deciding which particular paper to go for. So if you have given an higher exam, say if you have given CP1, you can pick one SP along, so that even if the result is not in your favor, you can accordingly decide at that time which exam to go for. So irrespective of whether you are mentally exhausted or not, point is to start straight away because your momentum is still alive. Because delayed preparation करोगे तो it increases pressure later. हमारा कुछ नहीं जाता, it basically builds pressure on you guys only. Especially this is for working professionals because they lose consistency quickly. अभी आप उसी momentum में हो that okay I am starting for the exam. So straight away start with another exam, and that we can discuss. You can discuss with us on individual level, or you can ping on this institute's number and counselor will guide you with the exam or the subjects to pick for based on your personal situations and circumstances, based on your current profile, based on your background, and in which subjects you are more comfortable. We will guide you the next subjects to bear along. So because you lose consistency quickly, so starting early gives you advantage because अभी आपके concepts, exam temperament सब कुछ active है, and बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ने की अभी requirement नहीं है. You don't have to give say 7-8 hours of studies. You just have to give 1 to 1.5 hours on daily basis from now onwards. Just start with your foundation revision, start with orientation session, so that regardless of results, you're not losing your time. Because even if the results are don't go as expected, at least when you are preparing early, it will protect your next attempt. So now the point is that you have to decide which exam you need to go for, and we are here to guide you that which exam you should prepare. So don't think on this, don't be under this illusion ki okay now my exams are over, when results will come after 2 months, then at that time I will decide which exam to go for. Definitely this is not a strategy for actuarial exams, because when you are entered into actuarial, basically it's a cycle that has to go on a daily basis. It's not like okay after exams there's a pause of 2-3 months and then we will pick another exam, and then at that time you will decide your exams and that time you will start preparing. You will lose the attempt. So it's a cycle that has to go. So you have to start straight away, but उतना regress नहीं start करना जितना आप अभी तक कर रहे थे. But because आप consistent हो अपने studies में, अभी आपने exams खत्म करे हैं और उसी momentum में हो आप, एक बार momentum lose होता है and it takes too much time to build that momentum again, and pressure automatically next attempt में feel होता है. So instead of feeling the pressure, instead of delaying your preparation, it's a wise decision to start straight away. And which subject to start? Basically, if you are unsure about your exam, if you feel even less than 50% sure about your attempt, pick main subject, that only subject along with some smaller subject. If you feel you've attempted well and you would be able to pass, definitely go for another main subject, and that can be a bigger subject compared to the subject that you have already given. And say you are in dilemma, you're still not able to decide, as per you, you feel that I have given my best but still there's a chance that you may lose, you can connect with us. We would be in a better position to guide you, and at that time you can take your decision. But preparation has to go straight away. We don't have to wait for results, we don't have to wait say for next 2-3 months to start with the studies. Studies do not have to stop because consistency has to be maintained. So for all doubts, any assistance with respect to your November 2026 planning, please feel free to connect with us on the number mentioned. So thank you, happy learning. So yes, we want all of you to attend at least the orientations of all the classes, whichever subject you are planning. All the orientations are out on YouTube. So do watch the orientations and decide that accordingly how you want to plan. So okay then, that's it for the day. Thank you.